Mambo ya watu kuwekwa kwa jeneza na mambo ya misuse of computers and cyber crimes. Yangu itakuwa ni kuchallenge DCI. Kama iko watu wamefanya makosa ya misuse of computers and cyber crime, arrest them and make it public that you have arrested people and take them before courts of law so that it becomes a deterrent to those who are misusing computers, artificial intelligence, not only to insult and to do very uncouth things, very uncivilized things. Na niwaulize pia vijana wetu, tukue na heshima. Hata kama huniheshimu mimi kama kiongozi, heshimu familia, heshimu watu na jamii ambazo hao viongozi wanatoka kwake. Leo tunaweza sema humpendi Speaker Wetangula, lakini kumbuka ako na mzazi na ni mtoto wa mzazi. Ako na watoto, ni baba ya watoto. And the same respect we expect as Kenyans. Let us extend the same level of respect to each other, to our leaders, both in the political arena, in church, because I've seen the same insults being leveled against even our church leaders. But to DCI, you must make use of the laws that we created and we enacted in Parliament back in 2018, specifically the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act of 2018. I know it had challenges in court in 2019, but the same courts reaffirmed that law. And all the provisions of that law, if the DCI are not aware and if the police are not aware, are fully in force. All they need to do is to implement that law to end these shenanigans of people insulting each other left and center with impunity and imagining nothing can happen to you. Finally, because it's the same misuse, we have seen people alleging that they have been abducted, kidnapped, then they show up. All out of political expediency. If anybody alleges that they have been kidnapped, abducted, and they are not, they should also be arrested and charged for misuse of their computers and cyber crimes. Because we know there are characters who want to use this now to try and incite the people of Kenya. In the same breath, if anybody is abducted, kidnapped, hijacked, or whatever, those are crimes against our laws, or in the eyes of our laws. Therefore, if you are a family that claims any of your family members are either hijacked during this festive season, kidnapped, or abducted, as it may be, make a point of reporting to the police so that they may help you to investigate and bring the culprits to book if they can. Lakini tusiwe tunatumia jina abduction for political expediency. Nimeona wengine hata wanasiasa hasa huko kwetu. Speaker, you'll be shocked. Members of parliament and a few senators, they are now attempting to bribe the police to arrest them to get public sympathy. Mwingine hata anajipeleka kwa gate ya polisi, nimeitwa na hakuna mtu amemuita, ati generate public sympathy. All these things ni vitu ambazo hazitusaidii. As leaders, we should be at the forefront of focusing on issues that affect our people, not inciting our own people.